Hello students, this is remote learning initiative undertaken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE. Myself Preetham De Silva, your SST teacher, and today we are going to deal with Standard 7th History, Chapter 6 Towns, Traders and Craftspersons. Part 3. The Architectural Splendor of Hampi. Students, Hampi is located in the Krishna-Tungabhadra basin, which formed the nucleus of the Vijayanagar Empire, founded in 1336. The magnificent ruins at Hampi reveal a well-fortified city. No mortar or cementing agent was used in the construction of these walls, and the technique followed was to wedge them together by interlocking. Distinctive architecture of Hampi can be seen in royal complex with splendid arches, domes and pillared halls. Orchards and pleasure gardens had sculptured motifs. Hampi bustled with commercial and cultural activities. Moors, Chetis and agents of European traders such as the Portuguese thronged the markets of Hampi. Temples were the hub of cultural activities and Devadasis performed before the deity, royalty and masses in the many pillared halls in the Virupaksha temple. Students, the Mahanavami festival, known today as Navaratri in the south, was one of the most important festivals celebrated at Hampi. The kings received guests and accepted tributes from subordinate chiefs on the Mahanavami platform. Defeat of Vijayanagar by the Deccani Sultans in 1565 led to the ruin of Hampi. A gateway to the west, Surat. Students, Surat famed for being the emporium of western trade during the Mughal period and gateway for trade with West Asia. Surat has also been called the gate to Mecca because many pilgrim ships set sail from here. The city was cosmopolitan and people of all castes and creeds lived here. In the 17th century, the Portuguese, Dutch and English had their factories and warehouses at Surat. The textiles of Surat were famous for their gold lace borders, zari, and had a market in West Asia, Africa and Europe. The state built numerous rest houses to take care of the needs of people from all over the world who came to the city. There were magnificent buildings and innumerable pleasure parks. Students, the Kathiawar Seths or Mahajans, money changers, had huge banking houses at Surat. It is noteworthy that the Surat Hundis were honored in the far-off markets of Cairo in Egypt, Basra in Iraq and Antwerp in Belgium. Student Hundi is a note recording a deposit made by a person. The amount deposited can be claimed in another place by presenting the record of the deposit. Surat began to decline towards the end of 17th century because of the loss of markets, decrease in productivity, control of sea routes by the Portuguese and the British. Surat is even today a bustling commercial center.